Yeah, hi everyone. So, yeah, the first step I do is watch the scanner, like which ones are looking good. So, for example, silver is looking bullish, GC is looking bullish. If everything is green, that means they are the most bullish tickets. If the first daily level RSI is red and the strength is green, that is the bearish ticket. So, if you see mainly silver is looking bullish, but what we need is T5. If we get a buy signal, we can go long on silver. If it comes touch this cloud or touch the bottom, then we can take a long on silver, and copper is also looking good. The strength is strong for both silver and copper. I'm taking a long on copper. I took a long position with copper. Silver is also looking good. So taking a long on silver. So now we have long on silver and copper. Copper made nearly 450, $500. I'm taking profits on copper. We have silver. Another $200, 225 with silver. So $600 target is done. Less than 10 minutes. But we watch it the scanner. So momentum and strength are very good for copper and also for silver. For GC, it is a little choppy. That's where we went with these two. NQ is also good, but as you know, generally this time is good for metals. NQ and ES are also looking good. Yeah, Venkat, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi, sure. Is there any FOMC tomorrow, or is there any we can try some evaluation account during the time?
Yes, yeah, we have FOMC tomorrow. Let me see what it, I think it will be at 1 p.m. Central. Yeah, it is at 1 p.m. 1 p.m.
Okay.
Central Time tomorrow. So generally, what happens is mostly you will see a bounce at 1 p.m. and a drop at 1:30. 1:30 there is a press conference. So
Okay.
generally, you will see a big move upside and then again a big move downside. Or initially, if there is a downside, then during press conference we'll see a upside. So yeah, we can plan for that evaluation to performance tomorrow at 1 p.m. During we can do a live session because the
Oh,
moves will be very big. Minimum there will be 100, 200 points on NQ, 40, 50 points on ES.
okay, okay. And it is expected to move up because there is a rate cut. Is that right?
Yeah, but it is already chipped into them. Already it is priced in.
Okay,
So
okay,
even unless they share that there can be more rate cuts in January, February, or something. Otherwise, already that 25 BPS is already priced in the market already.
okay,
But during the press conference, if he talks again some doubts about future rate cuts, then we can see a major drop. So if we see in 2 years,
But what would be the initial move up though? Like, if is there any good news expected, or I mean, if the 25 BPS is already not so great news.
yeah, that's why only at press conference we may see some big move.
Okay,
Daily it went all the way, but the clouds are still green, so we may see a bounce tomorrow. So yeah, during press conference, if it's positive, then we may see because there were three, four green candles, one red candle, again three, four green, some bearish candles. So again tomorrow, mostly it will be a bullish candle for ES and SPX. So
okay.
yeah,
Initially, that's why I initially expected green. Okay,
right. Yeah, initially until 1:30, we may see a big bullish move.
okay, okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, DP, please go ahead.
Uh, Kishore garu, is there any way you can remove SPX indicator and then give me access to TNT?
Yeah, can you put your username in the chat?
Sure.
So again, if anyone is not an active trader, then always tag and turn is the better one for you. Whenever you see a bullish tag and turn and T5 is green, you can do a 5-day expiry bull puts. Whenever you see a bearish tag and turn and T5 is red, then you can do a 5-day expiry.
So we use this for the futures also, right?
Yeah, yeah, I give the access. You can log out log.
Sure, Kishore Garu. Thank you. So you can remove SPX indicator for me.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Is there a way I can test out RCDI indicator for like 1 week? I have the
If
6 month plan.
you remove something, then you can.
Okay. Yeah, okay, then we'll remove tag and turn and then I'll try this out for a week and see.
Yeah.
I send a username. Also, do you have any future plans of passing accounts to pro level?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll go during that FOMC session.
Okay. So do you expect, I mean, should we buy accounts so that like what account levels, should we buy 150K or what would you suggest during this session?
Yeah, generally 150 Ks are better. Even yeah, to pass the accounts, and also in Pro also you can hold the accounts for longer time if you get the 150 is a better one.
Okay. But we would not be able to pass the account in a single day, right?
Again, there are many prop firms where you can generate Apex, Allied Trader Fund, Bullnox, all this you can do it in one day.
Oh, okay.
Only with some prop firms, only with Take Profit Trader you can do 50%.
Yeah, so I'm planning to stick with Take Profit Trader. So,
Yeah. For that one you can do 50%, and then you can do the next
perfect.
later.
Okay, thank you. And does RCDI work during FOMC?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a daily expiry of um 5 point spread, right? From 50 delta.
Right.
Okay.
They don't have 50% discount, but only the current plan, what they have is you can use right choice as a promo code. Then whatever money you pay, you will get it with your pro account payment. Even though you reset it or you do as many times as you do. But whenever you take it and whenever you pass the account with the first payment, they will also pay whatever you are paying for the initial subscription. So that means it will become 100% zero. Basically, the investment will become zero.
Which prop firm are you talking about?
For Take Profit Trader,
Okay, okay, yeah.
as promote code, then you pay some, for example, 200 or 230, 240 for the 150K account. Whenever you pass and you get the first payment, the 240 also will be added back to your account.
Sure. Basically, I'm burning a lot of money. Like I'm almost making it to pro level, but I'm failing the accounts at the ending. So that's what's
In,
happening.
so in Pro, what I suggest is you go slow with micros initially. Once you build the account, then you can go right, because once you have 5,000 6,000 dollars, then your trail stop loss will be at 150K. It won't
Right.
be any more intraday trail stop loss.
True.
So in that way, you can hold your accounts for long time. Yeah, silver and copper are very bullish tonight. So again, as I told you, right, always sort them by the change percentage, and then you see silver, copper, they are bullish here. right? So they are nearly above 1%, close to, right? Silver is 1.5%, copper is nearly 1%. All these are little choppy, right? They are not below minus 1%. So, and then we saw these are, right, your RSI is also very good, your strength is also good for silver and copper. And that's where we took the long position, immediately made $300-400 with both copper and silver. Yeah, in that, please go ahead.
Hey, hi Kishore. Uh, so today I purchased that subscription for the indicators. So if you can just provide me the access.
Yeah, sure. What is your username?
Uh, the username is ANUN and INDER.
So are you mainly looking for day trading or mainly for scalping?
Yeah, I'm also part of your options group. So yes, so day trading also.
Can you repeat the username? ANU?
ANUN, then INDER. Yeah.
Yeah, you should be able
Yeah,
to.
and secondly, two questions. One was so futures is new to me. So is there any available, you covered any trainings for that or any videos which I can watch from your past sessions?
Yeah, in the premium channel, if you search on futures training, you will see some videos. You
Okay.
can, yeah, also they will be tagged in the channel. You can watch. Yeah, I explained everything from basics about futures. It
Okay.
is just,
Okay.
yeah, you think like them as stocks.
Uh-huh. No,
So
and
just like you are buying or selling, right? It is not complex like options where you need to understand a lot of things. Whenever you feel like, oh, the clouds are green and blue, then
yeah.
every buy signal is a good opportunity. If the
And when
clouds
you
are, Mhm.
sorry, quick thing. When you say long, right, you're buying a long, what does it mean?
That means you are buy. You click buy first, and then once you make profit, you
Okay,
sell it.
okay, okay. Okay, got you.
You long
Yeah,
means you are buying first and selling. The short means you are selling first and then buying later.
got you. Okay. And one last related to the options, right? Uh, you last suggestion, one of the suggestions was to buy this IDEXX laboratories, which is currently down. But my only question was, today morning it was, though the IDEXX price was around 710 or 712, the options was almost like 900, $9. But whereas now, even though IDXS is down, why is that price still down? Is this something?
Yeah, because you have it is a spread, right? If it is a naked call or naked put, you will see a major difference. But when you have a spread, there won't be much difference because you have a protection also. You have a we sold one, you bought one,
Yeah.
so that's why it will limit your loss.
Okay. Okay. Probably something more. I have to go through it and learn. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. RM, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Andy. I took the 150K today, Andy. Instead of 50K. Yesterday I was in 50K, so it was not working out. So I took 150K. Can I get SPX TNT, Andy?
Mainly for
I
mainly for
hardly
option.
time in the daytime actually. That's the reason I was not at this one.
Yeah, because of FOMC, I think metals are very bullish. So RM, what is your username?
Rishikant 99. And one question, Andy. In between tabs, right? When in only one tab, I'm able to buy and sell. The trade is happening. In the other tabs, I'm not able to do any trading at all. So is that
Yeah,
something that
that's how trading view is. So
okay,
what you can do is you can use Ninja Trader in the other tab. One you can use Trader Weight in the other tab. If you use Ninja Trader, you can do in two different. So each tab only you can do with one brokerage.
okay,
You
okay, I
can
got
have
it.
Webull in one, you can have Trader Weight in one, you can have Ninja Trader in one, like that. But you cannot have Trader Weight in different tabs. So that's where
Got it.
you just change so you can move from silver to copper like this.
Okay,
But you cannot have silver, copper, everything, and you cannot connect to a brokerage.
okay. And I was not able to import uh, the script, morning script, Andy. I was wondering about that. How to do it.
So which indicators you have? So mainly you put that in FLM or RLM and then future scanner and stock scanner. So if you have to go here and then
Okay,
you
so
have to click on the settings and then go to inputs and then you just open that notepad file, Control A, Control C, and come here and do Control V.
okay, okay,
And same thing you will go to if you have FLM, same thing you go and just copy paste the same thing for futures. If you have SLM, you put all the stocks levels.
okay, got it. Okay,
So the
okay,
concept is same again. If any stocks is looking green in all the rows, they are the best two tickers to go long.
okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
And SPXW, last question, sorry. SPXW, when I was trying to search for that, I'm not getting SPXW.
No,
What am I?
SPXW means basically they are weekly expiry contracts or daily expiry. Yeah, only if it is you just search on SPX. Only whenever there is a third Friday, you have to be careful. On third Friday, you will have a monthly expiry and also you will have a weekly expiry. So that is where you have to be little careful. Otherwise, generally, if you do SPX contracts, they will be SPXW.
Oh, okay, okay. Thanks.
Yeah, yeah, Pranay, please go ahead.
Kishore garu, quick question. So I have 5 indicators plan, but in my invite only, I only have access to 4 indicators. I think I asked for T5 that is missing right now. Could
Yeah, can
you
you tell
please
me what is your username?
Pranay Reddy 1325. 1325.
Yeah, you can log out and log in. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Kishore garu.
Sure. Yeah, Shiva, please go ahead.
Yes, good evening, Kishore garu. Yeah, I have a TU5 and RTM scanner and TNT, but I don't see any buy indicators or sell indicators on the TNT. Even right now, you say that GC and silver, I mean silver and copper is the bullish,
So
but I don't.
TNT is mainly for swing trades. Generally, what we do is you go to 30 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
For example, right? So here you have bullish TNT, right? Bull means it is basically buy. So
Quite correct.
this is green, this is green. Then you can do the bull puts. So for
Right.
next 4 days, 5 days, you can go and then you can do a 5-day expiry.
Hmm.
So
Right.
if you see a bearish tag and turn, so for example, here you got a bearish tag and turn, but here you got the T5.
Yep.
Then you can do a bear calls at that point of time. Then nearly for next 5-6 hours there was a big drop. Whenever until it comes all the way to the bottom, or whenever it comes, you see a bullish tag and turn, then you can take profits on that.
Yeah. But we don't see this. See, whatever you are seeing right now, can you go to the XPS, select SPX? I never see today any of the tag coming on the XPS today. See, there's no today and yesterday also.
Wait, yesterday we got a bearish tag and turn.
Where is yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday we got
That's the 5th of December.
yeah, on 5th. So yeah, that's what these are mainly for 5-day, right? For swing
Okay,
trades.
okay, got it.
So
Okay.
once you take bear calls here, you can keep nearly all that $300, $400 premium.
Then it won't be expecting every day. I mean, depends on volume and depends on market. It comes
That
maybe.
that is right. Yeah.
Okay,
Tomorrow
okay,
again we may get a bullish tag and turn.
okay. Even I see the same thing, the silver and copper also. I don't see because I want to play with trader weight. I already got a prop firm account. I'm not seeing any TB and TNT tags for the silver. Maybe I need to wait until that comes.
Right. Yeah. As of now, it is at the top now. So if price breaks this red line, then we may see a drop overnight on silver. So it went all the way to the top.
Right.
Now you got a bearish, but immediately it got turned to bullish. So whenever price breaks this line, then it will come all the way to the midpoint. Then there will be a big drop on silver.
Okay. Then other question, if you see the bearish, right? You have that is happened yesterday or today. You see one bearish tag on your side. On the top also you see a red indicator. That's where we need to enter, right?
Right. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
line should, or you need to see a dot also on the top. That's the next question to me. Line, because if the red line is there and if I don't see the dot, I got a bearish tag. Still, can we enter into the market or you have to wait specifically for the dot on the top?
So generally we can enter and you can hold for 2-3 days. Then you will see a nice drop on silver
Okay.
in next 2
E-
to 3 days.
Even without
Or
the dot, so if the line is a red, without the dot, still you can enter.
right. Yeah.
But didn't we see a bullish flip order? Shouldn't we cancel the call if it's that bullish flip?
No, again, it is a prop account. Yeah, you will take a stop loss. But if it is a personal account, you can still hold it because it will do a double top and then again it will drop all the way to the midpoint.
I mean, how certain are you that it'll always do a double top? Like, does it
Yeah,
always happen double top?
90-95% of the time, whenever it does a bearish tag and turn, sometimes it will directly drop to the minimum till the midpoint or it will come all the way to the bottom. Sometimes what it will do is it will try to drop again, buyers took it up. It will do a little fake breakout or do a double top and then you can again, so that's where again if you have a personal account or you're doing options on futures, you can do bear calls here on silver for next 5 days. Then if silver stays below that price, right? For example, here 61.38. So you do 61.39 and 61.4. So in next 5 days, it will drop all the way below that price. So even one day it may go a little bit up, but next 1-2 days it will come all the way somewhere around 59.98 or around this price, it will come minimum. If it breaks this, then it will go all the way to the bottom.
Right.
The
Also for
last,
RC day, should we close the calls by day end because we are doing day end expiry for RC day, right?
for SPX,
Yes.
yeah, again, right, based on if you are someone who are not active during trading morning time, then better you only focus on this one. And then if SPX is showing, you only
Okay,
take
thank you.
the swing trades. So with day trades, the advantage is you will have more opportunities, but it also comes with a risk.
Risk, yeah.
We have to be very fast to enter and exit. Whereas with swing trades, your risk is low. Whenever you see a bearish tag and turn, you are for next to 5 days you are collecting. So your premiums will be much higher here. You will collect $300, $400. Then it dropped all the way to the bottom. Again went till the midpoint and again started dropping. So it may come all the way to the bottom tomorrow. And then again we may see a bullish tag and turn, and then after FOMC we may see a bounce back to the top.
Then you might bullish tag tomorrow morning. That's what you mean.
Oh, right, yeah. Tomorrow
Could you
morning
show me
we'll,
T5 for this once?
yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so it's a better time to close it out. Okay, only when we get the flip we should close it out. Okay, got it.
Yeah, it will come tomorrow morning. We'll see it coming all the way to the bottom and again start going up to the top.
Sure, but in this case, the bear TNT tag, if you see on the top is a green, but it's not advisable, right? For example, in this use case, yeah, on the top, you see there's the next left, yeah, that one, if you see on the top, it is like a
Right,
green.
we'll wait until T5 also turns to red, then we can enter it.
Oh,
Or
okay.
whenever you are T5, you are in a bearish tag and turn, and T5 also turn red. So this is where you can enter bear
Okay.
calls.
But not at that moment. You have to wait in a fraction,
Yeah,
maybe in a,
again, generally when you are doing a 5 day expiry, that means within next 5 days you are expecting price to go down. So
right.
even though for next 1 hour it might went up, but overall in next 3 4 days it will drop all the way to the bottom. So
Yes.
if you are doing either options, bear calls, or you are taking a short on ES, your risk is less. There might be some draw, but if you wait for T5 also to turn to red, then your risk is very, very less. But if you
Okay.
take here, there might be some little bit pullback. One more time, there might be a pullback. And then again, there is a huge drop.
Hmm. Then this is applicable to any stock, not the particular space. Any stock, we can take the same process.
It is right here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you
Tesla
see,
or Meta or anything.
that is right here. So we got a bullish tag and turn. Then it came little bit and then went all the way to the top.
Yeah, that was happened. Yes, I see that doing. Yep.
Yeah. So you can use it with any stock.
What is the US? What is the US1 stock, Kishore garu?
ES is nothing but SPY,
Oh,
S&P, S&P 500. That is a future sticker. Just like you have SPY for stock ETF, ES is for futures.
okay, okay. Then this was you can do in the daytime because I see a lot of time you did a lot of orders this daytime trading.
Right, yeah, because generally that ES, right, if you're ES and SPX moves in the same direction. If you're watching SPX chart, if the SPX is bearish, you can do shorts on ES.
Oh, okay, okay. Other way around. Okay.
Right, both move in the same direction. Or if ES is looking bullish, you also do SPX bull puts.
Okay.
Yeah, so SPX DI, what time should we see for that?
SPX for day trading, we use 5 minutes. For swing trading,
For
use
DI, like I want to do day and like this daily
DI,
calls.
use 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then I'm going to change my plan now after this call. Right now, I have a TNT and feature scanner and a T5. For me, if I want to have a both, I'm day trading also. I'm closely watching. Then you were suggesting a five plan indicator for the day trading. You are using the FLM and feature scanner, right? Blue red clouds
Right.
for the day trading. And swing trading, we have a TMT combination along with the T5. Correct?
Right. For swing trading, TNT plus T5 is a good option. Whereas for day trading, T5 plus the scanner plus that FLM for
FLM. Okay.
futures. If you want to do stocks, then you use SLM, stocks level manager plus T5. They will
But
help us.
the stock level manager is like a day trading or is like a feature trade that like swing trading for stock level.
Day trading.
Oh,
FLM and SLM are for day trading.
okay. Okay. Then I can switch to four plan indicator because right now I'm not doing any stocks, only options and features. I can switch today to the plan.
Right. Yeah.
And other thing, Kishore, why on the right hand side you see more number of like can you turn on the MTF? There's a chart, there's a table coming for you.
Yeah, because I have a pro plan, I can add more number of tickers.
Oh, okay. For me, is limited. That's the reason I have only essential plan. I see maximum on my side is 1 to
Yeah,
5.
generally fine. What you do is you add the MTFF one more time. You can add it any number of times.
Okay.
And
Then the
then you
same.
put another 5 tickers. You go and you can go here,
Okay.
right? You go here, add, click on indicator, add MTFF, and then just change the position size. So for example, here it is top right. Next time when you add it, you make it as bottom right or
Oh,
bottom
okay.
left.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And
Then will be
then,
two charts. One is the top right and one is the bottom chart. That way we can see all.
right, you can use another 5 tickers now. So
Oh,
you can just go here and you click on the pencil and you can put whichever tickers you want.
okay.
You can add them.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you, Venkat. Sir Kishore. And
Yeah.
other question, Kishore. Do you have any video like I know the same concept like when you got a buy signal you have to buy on the futures and sell signal you have to sell first and buy later, right? Same thing. Is then do you have any like video that just like 1 2 trades, how do you place it? I know that from the DOM sometimes I see video saying that doing by using the DOM, like the left hand side is the buy and right hand side, that's one way to place the trade. And when I see your trading session, you are using the DOM as a stopped everything. Which one do you have any video to place 2 3 trades and I want to start my prof account?
Yeah, if you watch any live video of any right any day, you will see right either you use DOM or you can use the order tab. Right, for example, if you see some GC or something is looking bearish or bullish. For example, GC. So here you can, for example, if I want to sell it, you
Hmm.
can go to the order tab and you can just put some right somewhere,
Okay.
and then you can also, if you want, you can also give your target stop loss here itself. If you think like it will come all the way to 40 to 20,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
you can say, for example, 40 to 40. And
Okay.
then your stop loss it is at 38. Then you may want to put 40 to 40. So you don't even need to keep watching it.
Oh, okay. Then it creating buy order, sell order, stop all 3 orders at one shot.
Right. So you don't even need to keep watching it. Whenever it happens, then
Okay, got it.
All orders. So your buy stop, your buy limit, everything got created. Then automatically it will
It's
close it.
that also created will take care of that. Okay,
Mhm.
thank you. Then you suggest to start with this kind of trades now for the prop firms to kick up the profit. Okay,
Right.
that makes sense. Yeah. Then when we see the sell signal, we'll always sell, and is it like straight buy means buy, the direct combination. You don't need to like bearish calls and bull puts, same thing like that here.
Here you use that, right? It is not every sell or every buy you take it. You use a confidence. For example, let's go back to that silver example. So, for example, your clouds are green and blue here, and then you see how is the so you are using three different indicators combination. You watch like what the scanner is telling. If scanner is completely green for silver, right? If RSI is also above 50, strength is good. This is good. And if T5 is also looking green, then you mainly look for the buy opportunities.
Right.
Or if, for example, NQ is looking bearish, right? Let us say this is below 50, strength is strong, and T5 is red. Then we mainly watch out for the sell opportunities, short opportunities. So based on the confluence, right, you are not just focusing on only buy. Here, for example, you got a buy signal. T5 is also green. If RSI and the strength is also good, then you mainly take the buy opportunities. So if you get a sell signal, T5 is also red, then we mainly look for the short opportunities. So like that, we use combination of indicators.
It should be always green. What you mean? Even buy or sell, the strength and everything should be green.
Strength should be green. For buy, your RSI should be green, your strength should be green. For sell, RSI should be red and strength should be green.
Okay, okay,
Strength should be always green. That means it is not choppy. There
right,
is a
okay.
proper direction. But your RSI, if it is green, that means we are bullish. If RSI is red, that means we are bearish. Then your T5 also tells you whether you are bullish or bearish. Now, as of now, it was bullish, but it is if the lines are coming closer, that means it is becoming bearish.
Correct.
So if we
Okay.
get a red dot, then that means sellers took the control. Then you have a perfect. Then easily you will make $200-300. If this turns red, then it will come all the way somewhere to the bottom of the band.
Right.
So like that, we watch these three indicators combination. So initially you feel like it will take some time, but as you get used to it, it will become easy.
But in this process, if you see, when we assume that whether buy or sell, the straight for if it is buy, we need to use the buy order here. Sell means sell order here. This is straight proportionate to buy and sell orders here.
That is right, yeah. If everything is looking green, then we click on buy.
Okay.
If everything is looking red, we click on sell first. Or
Okay.
you can also click here.
Yep. Yeah, thank you. I think it takes some time me to deep dive on this. So definitely, yeah. I see where you already put buy stance should be above 50 for the sell, above stance should be low 50. I see that one. Yeah, I'll follow that in. Then what is the daily level? You need to consider the daily level, the green or red.
Yeah, generally that is much more confidence. If something is completely green, right? If it is above magnetic level, that means generally buyers are in full control. For example, GC is above, right? It is green. That means it is 3 levels above the base level. Silver is 8 levels above the base level. That means
Okay.
they are very bullish. So if all the three are green, that gives you more confidence that it is bullish. Or
Okay.
if this one is right, natural gas is 8 levels below the magnetic level. Crude oil is 3 levels below the magnet. So crude oil is very bearish, and because it is 3 levels below magnetic level, the momentum RSI is below 50. Strength is good. That means sellers are in full control. Natural gas is bearish. So like that, yeah, the daily level adds more confidence, gives you more confidence to go long or go short.
Okay. Thank you, Andy.
Sure. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any questions?
Thank you, sure. This is Venkat. Two questions. So the first one is regarding the top and the bottom bands of RLM. Um, are these the Bollinger Bands? I mean, I ask this because they are working really well, especially when the markets are choppy in the afternoon times.
Yeah, they are not Bollinger Bands.
Okay, okay. What are these? I mean, how these are really
There is a
interesting
custom
because
logic here. There
yeah,
is
this
a
is
separate logic for that. So
okay. Okay. They're working really well. I mean, I just want to kind of let you know about it. They're working really, really well in terms of when the market is choppy in the afternoon times.
right. Yeah,
Thank you
even
for
during evening time also, if we look at the confluence, they work really good. Yeah, some days we'll not look at all the confluence, but otherwise, if we look at proper confluence, then yeah, evening time, 90% of the time we are making $700, $800 every day.
that's right. Yes, evening also. Yes, we do see that. Yes, um, unless we have a very big sell off, probably big push up, right? And every other day, yeah, definitely it is working fine. That's one question I had. The second one I had is about the price pulse. These days, you do not use the price pulse as much. Are you seeing any issues with it?
Yeah, there are no issues. Just I don't want to write because yeah, this is working. The cloud strategy along with T5 and scanner is working really good. So that's the reason. But yeah, again, if you are a stocks trader, price pulse is definitely good. If you see a huge sell order at premium zone or you see a big buy order at discount zone, price pulse is also a very good one. Only thing is because most of the users have this RLM or FLM, SLM, T5, so that if I use price pulse again they get confused. So because most of the users have this, so I'm also using this one. But yeah, there is no issue with price. That is very good. One of our top indicators.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Ramesh, I gave you the access. Do you have any other questions? Yeah, Abhishek, please go ahead.
Hey, Kishore. So on the TNT indicator, right? I know we get those alerts, right? I have been trying and observing this thing, doing some of the back testing as well, right? I don't get those alerts sometimes, and I think most of the time I'm not getting those alerts for any of the ticker because, for example, for NQ or ES, this I see actually for GC, there was a bearish TNT which came, I think, morning 11 a.m., but I did not get the alert. I mean, like, I was just wondering that I tried to delete and do it again. I can do it again, but yeah, just my observation.
I see that they are coming good. Mm,
Yeah, I'm not getting these alerts. Are you giving it for the both? Can you show me your alert? I mean, like, not the alert actually, the alert. And yeah.
yeah, TNT combo.
Mm, SPX TNT combo. Yeah, the same thing actually I did. I'm actually doing it for the whole group, what do you call it?
Yeah, I'm also doing it on the entire list. It is on the
Entire
watch
list, yeah.
list.
Correct,
So
yeah.
I have all stocks, futures, everything as part of this list, and it is, for example, yes, 6847. So yeah, we got a bullish tag enter. So now we are expecting a right? It came all the way from nearly 68.75. It came all the way to 68.45 now. So overnight we may see a bounce again.
And how do we read this small box, right? Bottom right, that RC tag and turn bullish above.
That means there
What
is
is
a
PRZ?
supported potential reversal zone. So it is telling that there is a support at 68.43, but you can, once it breaks 68.45, you are fully confident to go long. So it is a potential
68.48.
reversal zone. So once it breaks 68.48, that means completely buyers took the control. So it is bullish above 48. The potential reversal point is 43.75. So it came to that 43.75, started turning bullish. So, but you are instead of immediately taking, you are waiting for 3-4 points to go up, and then you can go take a long, or you can do bull puts here on ES. So tomorrow morning, if it stays above this price, then you can make nice profits on them. Again, the potential reversal point. Again, the next resistance is at 68.72. You can put a target at 68.72. So again, when it goes all the way here, again it may turn bearish. That is where you have resistance. 44 is where you have support.
And this is something we are considering the price pulse as well, right?
Right.
Yeah, if you can go to the GC chart, right? I have a question because so if you see, we got a bearish tag and turn. It dropped a bit and then started going up. So till what time? I mean, like, should we take the profits or how should we? I mean, like, this is for we can hold the trade for a few days, right? 30 minutes.
Right. Yeah. Whenever you are doing in 30 minutes, that is a swing trade. So in swing trade, always it will not be right. In 5 minutes or 3 minutes, suddenly you may see a continuous drop. But in swing trading, always there will be up and down. But within next 2-3 days, you will see a major drop on GC. Right. We may see minimum until 42.30, or it may go all the way to 42.04 by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So whenever you get a bearish tag and turn, you can take a trade and you can hold for next 2-3 days until it goes all the way to the bottom.
Order submitted. Oh, okay, so basically we have to wait till it goes to the bottom all the time, or is it something we'll get some signal to exit the trade?
Yeah, whenever you get a bullish tag and turn, you can exit. Right, your bull reversal zone is 42.04. You can put a target there. That is
Okay,
your target.
got it.
42.04 is where again it will turn. That is where you have a lot of buyers. That is where again it may turn bullish. So tonight you can do bear calls on GC. You can do bull puts on ES. So mostly tonight it will come somewhere 20-30 points down.
And we can do a short on GC as well, MGC on a personal account
Yeah,
as well, right?
in personal you can do GC. In prop you can do 2 MGC short.
Got it. Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll try those alerts again. We'll see that.
Okay. Prashant, please go.
Venkat. Uh,
Right.
how to tag and turn? I don't think I have that. I have a 3 indicator plan. What is it?
Yeah, generally you need to have 5 indicator, or you can remove one of your existing indicators and you can get tag and turn. So
Okay.
tag and turn is mainly for swing trading. If you want to mainly, you don't want to watch the charts for a long time, then this is a good one for with a low risk for the swing trading where you
Yeah,
can
I
go
want.
for.
Yeah, I wanted to have that so that I can use it for some micros overnight and stuff like that.
Right, yeah. Either you can move to 5 indicator plan, or you can delete one of the existing indicators, so you can get access to this tag and turn.
So the also 6 months you can get an additional indicator, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Prashant, please go ahead.
So sure, when you say any ticker is bullish or bearish for that particular night, right? Like overnight trades. So usually what I'm doing is going like 30, 40 points up and putting a short. And if the trend is bearish, and if it is bullish, I'm just to be in safe side, I'm just going down 30, 40 points and putting a long. So
Mm.
is that how it works? Because none of them were used to execute for me. Uh,
Right.
so
Because if it
what
is
points you
close,
think we should start at? Like we'll not be watching overnight, right? So just in case, like if things are good for one direction, you want us to just go ahead and execute it and let it go, or uh, what exactly you suggest?
right, you can always watch this. If you have the tag and turn, you can watch in 30 minutes. Or even with RLM, for example, if you have
Yeah, I don't have tag and turn. Yeah, but FLM. Yeah.
FLM, let us say you got a sell signal in 30 minutes.
Mm.
Then you can go ahead and do 2 MGC. 2 MGC
Okay.
for 2 micros. You cannot do with minis in a higher time frame.
Mm.
But you can always use. So here you are close to resistance. Your support is somewhere at the bottom, but your resistance is very close. Before sleeping, you see whether you are close to resistance or you are close to support. You are very close to the resistance. And
Okay.
your T5 is also at the top, right? It is consolidating here. So definitely we
Mm.
may see a nice drop all the way to the bottom. So by using FLM or RLM, you can do that.
Yeah.
Or
So
if
when
you
you
are using,
say T5 is at the top or at the bottom, right? Should we consider it is T5 is showing something like 90 plus points or negative 90 plus points, something like that? I mean, what point? Like usually, pretty much like 60 or 70 to 90 or 100, it will always be at the top. Pretty much
yeah,
like
right,
until you, yeah.
right. That means it is overbought now. So there will be a reversal whenever it touches that 90 plus. And
Mm.
then, so as of now, it is consolidating, right? It is consolidating here, going up,
Okay.
coming down, going up, coming down. But because it already reached to the top, now sellers will take the control, bring it all the way down.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sure.
now you can do, so either you use FLM, RLM, watch it, and then you can take two shots, or you use SPX tag and turn, and then you can do the, right, once you see a bearish tag and turn, your T5 is also red at the top. Then you
Mm.
do 2 MGC, you can hold overnight. By tomorrow morning, you'll make 200 to $50, even with two
Okay.
micros.
Okay. So at the same time, you want us to put the stop loss and everything.
Yeah, just you can go to
Okay.
order tab and you can, yeah, your target is somewhere around here,
Okay.
4208 or 4205. It is telling it may go all the way to 4204. So you can put somewhere around 4206.
Okay. So in FLM, it's going to be support level. That's where we need to put the. Uh,
You're right.
okay. Okay. Thank you, Ishwar.
Shiva, please go ahead.
Kishore, can you please one trade with you? Can I share my screen?
Yep. Can you please show the BMNR stock, the tag and turn? Yeah, Bitcoin immersion.
Yeah, now we got a bearish tag and trend. So tomorrow you may see a big drop on this.
39, okay. And can you show the TNT for SPX? When is the bull puts?
Mostly tomorrow morning we'll get the bull puts.
No, the previous one.
Yeah.
Which day? No.
We got on 21st or 22nd. From that day, it was bullish throughout.
Oh,
Again on 4th December, we got bearish. But 1 2 days it went up, and then again there was a big drop. So that's where we are doing a 5 day expiry. So within 5 days, it will drop all the way to the bottom, even though there
if
might
it
be.
is on 21st, then we have to wait till 9th.
No, you don't need to wait, right? If, for example, you are taking a bull puts here, you are doing 5 day expiry, then you are keeping all 100% of it.
Correct. But next time it came after 15 days, right? 20 days almost.
Right, but SPX is only one ticker. Yeah? You can use with hundreds of, right? You put it on NQS and P100. So if you see here, there are hundreds of stocks where we'll get alerts. So CAT,
Oh.
we got TNT. So tomorrow CAT will go up now. So we got a bearish tag and turn. It came all the way to the bottom. Now we got a bullish tag and turn. DoorDash, we got a bearish tag and turn. So it will drop all the way. So like that, you can.
Okay. Whenever we get again a T5 confluence and then continue.
Yeah, yes, it will drop. So mostly tomorrow, ESNQ, all those will become bullish. RTY.
That is after 1 o'clock.
Yeah, mostly at 1 o'clock, the trend will turn bullish. We'll see a big move up all the way to the top.
Are we doing the call at 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
Like, okay, I will buy some accounts and then we'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Someone was asking me to show some order. Who was it?
Yes, yeah, this is your. Can you give me the share screen access?
So you want to?
Yeah, I want to put a trade. Please guide me because
You can join us, panelists.
let me share my screen here. Can you see my screen, Kishore?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
you can.
I
You
already
can.
connected trader it here. I can see that now that I can place that. Now, for example, I want to start with, as you said, for prop farms, I want to do 2 micros, right?
Yeah. Then you put instead of GC, you have to put MGC. That
Oh, yeah.
symbol you add it as. Go to that right beside your name. You have GC, right? At the top left corner.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, got it.
Yeah, just add M there. MGC.
Oh, okay.
MGC.
DC.
MGC micro.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, select that micro gold features. Then you can take quantity. Here units you can do as 2.
Fine, let's say day.
In the units.
Friday. Okay, got it. 2 units. Okay, now the price,
Like,
because you want to bearish, you should be sell.
right. So if you want, you can put a stop loss at take profit. You can put 20 points down.
Okay,
You
then
can
should
say
be
4216.
4216. Okay.
In the stop loss, you can put 42, 42.
What is the prime price you're putting? Okay, got it. 6 points up and 20 points down. Okay.
Right, yeah. And then you click on the sell button at the
Okay.
bottom.
Okay, got it. Okay. Now
Yeah,
let's go
that's
back.
it.
Let's go back to here and see that trade away. Let's okay. Now I see the short is okay. I can see all my orders here.
Alright. So already you have all the orders, so you can peacefully sleep now. So if it drops, you'll make nice profits. Whenever it touches the target, it will automatically close. Or if it
Okay.
touches the stop loss, also it will automatically close. You don't
Plus,
need to
okay.
keep
Sure.
watching this.
Got it. Thank. Then how much for the I opened the that as what Allied Trading I opened the TraderWet account. How many days I need to make consecutive profit? Like it should be minimum $500 per day until I need to pass the evaluation stage.
No, for evaluation, there is nothing like consecutive. Only thing is you need to complete the target before that 30-day expiry. Again,
Okay.
you can do even after next month also you can do. Only thing is you have to pay the renewal fee one more time.
Okay. But
Okay.
the same fee they'll charge, not extra. Okay.
Right.
Then what is the target here to pass the evaluation?
If it is a 150, generally 9,000 will be the target. If you
Uh,
make 159, then you will complete it.
Okay. Then even though in between I can make some losses and getting back profit should be fine. End of the day should be 9,000. The entire
150.
the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Without hitting a 4,500 stop loss. It should
Oh,
not go below 4,500. You have to hit the 159K.
I see. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. That's a conditional. And every time I need to add a M. All my prop accounts, I need to add a M. Whether silver, copper, everything should add a M before, correct?
You're right. For most of the tickers, yeah, it is MES, MNQ, MCL, MGC.
Okay. And MSIL, silver too.
No, for silver, it is SIL, not MSIL. But for majority of the tickers, you have to just prefix with M.
Okay, sure. It will tell you, right? If I put MSL, it will tell you it doesn't have that one, right? It will give you the error. It doesn't
That,
register on that.
that is
Got it.
right, yeah.
Got it. Okay. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah, that's it. I start playing around this one. Thank you.
Sure, yeah. Yeah,
Hi, Kishore, sir.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
uh,
Could you revert that RCDI to SPXTND? This won't work for me because I usually don't have time to watch it every day.
okay. Yeah, I gave you the access again for tag and turn.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, Abhi, please go ahead.
Hey, Kishore, for GC, um, the personal account, what did you say stop loss was?
You can put 42 as a stop loss.
Okay.
And then 4206 as a target.
And Kishore, are you back in US?
No, I'll be back in January.
Oh, okay. So, Kishore, I want to talk to you. So can I call you on WhatsApp?
Yeah. Yeah, Venkat, please go ahead.
Can you hear me? Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you speak a bit louder?
Yeah, Kishore. Can you replace my the price pulse with tag and turn for me?
Yeah, what is your username?
It's in the chat. Let me put it again. There you go.
So you want to remove price pulse and get tag and turn?
Yeah, I just want to try it out. And the general question, Kishore,
Yeah.
with silver going so much up today and yesterday,
Mhm.
we be really looking for sell opportunities more than buy opportunities.
Right.
I know the confluence sometimes shows that we have to buy, but it makes me concerned because it has gone up so much and it might reverse out and go all the way down.
Yeah, that's where you look at if it is already so that's where you use all that confluence, right? So you check whether let me share the screen.
Yeah. I know, like confluence shows it's for a 3 minute or 5 minute window, it is still green and bullish. I'm
Right.
just little,
That is for scalping. But if you are going to do a swing trade, then yeah, definitely it is good for that is where you check in 30 minutes.
okay.
And then if you think like already, for example, in 30 minutes, silver is at the top, right?
Yeah,
T5 is at the top. Then that's not a good time to go long for a swing trade. No, it is overbought.
yeah,
You,
exactly.
you got a swing sell.
And
So,
at this point, if I want to go for overnight or a couple days in the personal account, then I should wait for the sell signal and confluence to be bearish.
right. Yeah. So you got to this stakes a bearish tag and turn. So mostly you will see a drop until 60. From
Okay.
61.5, we should see until 60, minimum 60. If it breaks 60, then it will come all the way to 57. Yeah, we may see a drop overnight on GC and silver. Already GC is dropping.
Okay. Thank you, Kishore. And in take profit trader, I took a 150 account, but previously I had 100K account, and I want to do both, but it doesn't even allow me to enable it again.
Oh, you want to do both? Oh, I didn't get your question.
Yeah, I want to have both accounts to have
Hmm.
them in using Replicanto.
Right, you can use them. Only thing is,
Like if we get bunked, right? Like for example, what you call like if it gets disabled, you can go and re-enable it by paying $100.
right.
Or
Mhm.
one doesn't give me that option to re-enable it.
No, you should be able to go to Take Profit Trader website and you should be able to reactivate it.
Okay.
There should not be any problem in reactivating it. So is your question on how to use Replicanto when you have different account size, or is your
No,
question on why you...
no. Can I share my screen real quick? I think I can make it clear.
Yeah, share your screen.
I think you're still sharing it. So this one, you can see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm. Right. You
So
click on it.
yeah, I don't see the option to enable this again.
Mm, Can you go back again? Go back. Okay. Disabled on 11/24. You should be able to just, you can yeah, click on the chat button.
Yeah, and nobody's there to contact
Disable
me.
it, Kishore. So generally, if you disable it, then you can't
Did
enable the
you,
same account.
did you disable it or it got disabled because of the stop loss? Yeah, if you cancel, then you cannot reset it. If you were,
Okay, okay.
I think
I
you
must
might
have
have,
done it by mistake. Got it. That makes sense.
right, yeah. If you cancel it, you will be able to do it. But otherwise, if it got disabled because of the stop loss, then you should be able to reset it
You should
anytime.
actually just buy a new account instead of resetting it. Probably
Okay.
better.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. That's all.
Sure. Yeah, Arvind, please go ahead.
I took an annual plan. Can you remove SLM and FLM and then add that RC RLM?
RLM is for 6 months or more.
I took an annual plan 1 year.
Okay, what is your username?
Arvind VR. I'm pinging you.
Is it AR,
ARVIND PR.
V as in Victor, or
A as in Apple, R Robert, V as in Victor, I as in India, N Nancy, D David, and B as in Bangalore, R Robert.
okay? Yeah, I gave the access to RLM.
Okay. And then you can take out and then give me what is it, tag and turn as well.
Okay. Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Nasir,
Yeah, Kishore garu, you able to hear me?
yeah, I'm giving you the tag and turn. You can
Yeah.
log out and log in.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, done. Yeah, Dana, please go ahead. Dana, do you have any questions? We can't hear you if you're talking. Sridhar, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore Garu. I see like most of the time for SPA, while doing the SPX, right, you always mention about the bull puts and the bear calls, right?
Right.
How can I do that like very quick, like SPX moves very fast, right? So do you have any tips and tricks, like two puts, two calls you take, right? How do you do that, like on the trading view?
No, you cannot do it on TradingView. You have to
Oh,
use your brokerage.
Mhm.
Only
Like,
in trading, yeah, trading view is mainly to buy stocks or buy futures or sell stocks, sell futures. But for options, if you get a buy signal on SPX or ES, then you go and you do bull puts on your brokerage.
okay, so in trading view, we just monitor and we just check the levels, and we actual trading need to do on the brokerage account. Yeah,
That
okay,
is right. Yeah. For any stock or any, yeah, for options, you have to go to brokerage. Only for stocks or futures, directly you can do it from trading view.
got it. Yeah, thank you.
And all the prop firms are mainly for futures. So prop firms, so you can only sell or buy futures. But if you want to do stocks or options, we have to use our personal account.
Got it. Thank
you. Sanuj, please go ahead.
Hi, Kishore.
Yeah.
Yeah. As public demand, no, everybody is switching to tag and turn. So can you cancel my PP and price poll and add me to tag and turn?
Yeah, give me your username.
I put it in your chat. I don't know. I am also not using much the price pulse because it looks very complicated. Too much signal. Not too much signal means lot of what you call direction or lot of instruments are there. So 10:06.
Yeah. Where did you put it? I can't see in the Zoom chat. Oh, I see in 06. Okay. Yeah, I gave the access. You can log out and log in.
Okay. Oh, log out from TradingView or just I can access?
Do you have client or a browser? If it is a browser, you have to open a new tab.
Oh, browser. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, if you
Oh,
open a
there
new
is a
tab,
client also. I didn't know.
client, yeah, you can just log out and log in. You'll see.
Okay. And one more thing, can you go to any of the chart? There is you mentioned swing buy and swing sell. What is the difference? Because that fluctuates, but how that correlate with the R8 or RC, R1 to R8 to S1 to S8? Because this this one, swing cloud, you say, SS and SB, the top one, red one, the SS bar.
Mhm.
Can
Yeah.
you? Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. Not sell, SS, yeah. And the bottom also there is SB. Correct?
Yeah, generally on normal
So
days, if
that
there is
one to difference, what is with this R1 with means R8 with S8? So which one we need to focus more? Like
if
you
there
said.
is a
Okay.
on normal days, generally your R3 is where you will have a reversal. Close to R3
Mm-hmm.
is where you get a swing cell, right? That is where it will generally reverse, right? From magnetic level, it will go to R1, R2, R3, and then reverse and come somewhere in between. If it is a right bullish day, it will go all the way till R3 and then reverse. Whereas if it is a bearish day, it will go all the way until S3. And then
From
you get
magnetic to S3. Okay.
a swing buy. But if there is a major event, if there is a major trade tomorrow, we have FOMC. Then on such type of days, if it is bullish, it will go all the way till R8. That is where you get a swing sell.
Correct.
Or if it is a major bad news, it will go all the way to S8. That is where again it will reverse.
Yeah, that concept is clear. But many times you mentioned to like override to SS and SB. So which case we will look for swing sell, swing buy, and which case we look for R8, this resistance and support. What scenario? Because now, and it's good that every time price come and touch, you see that SS, it touched the X mark, correct? And came to SB and touched the X mark. So we need to once it touch, then we should not think about R1 and other. We just now go to the opposite direction. R1 register.
Again, you'll wait for the right. Again, if you want to take low risk trades, again whenever you see SS, you do bear call, right? You got T5 is at the top, you
And
got
that's
a
correct.
and then you do bear calls or you do a short. Or whenever as of now, you don't have a swing buy. Yeah, you just got X, but still both the clouds are red. That means it may go a little bit up, touch it, and again drop. So
Okay.
until you see a swing buy, you are not ready to go long. Right?
Okay, until we did not get the cloud will take the precedence, correct?
Right, until you see a swing buy, you mainly focus, right? It will go up, again drop, again go up, touch this cloud or this cloud and drop.
Then which scenario we will take this X mark, like SB and SS, on which case, which type of scenario?
That means, so now that means in next 10-15 minutes, you may get a swing buy.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you see a X, then basically it is that for scalping, it is telling don't do any more shorts.
Okay.
There is a potential reversal point here. So it is telling not to do any more shorts for some time.
Okay.
So this is a reversal point for scalping.
Okay.
So it may do a double bottom and then go up, but yeah, it is better when you see.
Until you don't see buy
Right,
until you
swing
don't
buy.
see the signal. Okay.
Yeah, until you see a swing buy, don't go for long.
Okay.
But don't also short now because it dropped so much within half an hour, it dropped nearly 20 points down.
Correct.
It went all the way from 42.50 to 42.30.
Yeah.
During that, there can be a small reversal.
And also notice that after, sorry, is it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, after it reverse, no, after when it comes back again, at that time this bull power changes. So it's dynamic, correct? Or it's
Yeah, it is dynamic. Yeah.
Okay. But the concept is same, whether it change or stay, but the concept we need to follow the same, correct?
That is right. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
So, yeah.
I was trying to buy the Elite Trader fund. So it was asking to either to pick the trader weight or trading view. Which one should I go for?
For Elite Trader, you need to select trading view because when you select
Trading.
trading with the trader weight automatically. So yeah, you have to use trading view. For Elite Trader, you have to select trading view. But with any other prop firm, you have to select a trader weight.
Okay. And I was doing the paper trading. Is it sometimes I try to do a trade at one point, but it picks up at some other point. Is it because of that delayed data or?
Right, yeah. In paper account, generally you'll have 15 minutes delayed data. So When you connect to any prop account, that is where you will it will give you the real-time data.
Okay. So right now I should be selecting trading view and go ahead, right?
Right.
And tomorrow you said that there is FOMC, right? So it's better not to trade during that particular period.
Yeah, again, there are two ways. Generally, whenever there is event, there will be a big move. So you have two strategies. One strategy is if you have 5 or 6 accounts, you do 3 accounts, you go short, you go long on 3 accounts. So
Okay.
3 of them will complete the target. If
Okay.
you have 10 Allied Trader Fund accounts, you can go five. You can take long on NQ. On 5, you do short on NQ. Then minimum 5 accounts will complete the evaluation.
Okay.
That is one
Oh,
strategy. Second strategy,
okay.
before the news, you see where you are. Are you close to support? Are you close to resistance? And is T5 somewhere at the bottom or T5 at the top? Based on those things, you can just trade one direction. So again, 70-80% of the time we will be right. Sometimes based on at what time you are clicking, sometimes it may also, so that comes with a high risk. But if you do 50-50, then that is a low risk approach. Minimum 50% of the accounts will complete the target. So you can every day evening you can trade with them. You make 300, 400 every day, and you can take the payouts.
Okay.
So that is one. Or if you are a trader, you don't want to take any risk at all, then you can avoid the events and just every day you try to make 500, 600 and complete the target.
Okay.
Yeah. Soham, please go ahead. Yes, Soham, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore. Hello,
Yeah, Vishal.
can you hear me? Hey,
Yeah,
I'm
please.
Vishal. Yeah, sorry, it always comes. I go change. Hey, Kishore, if you're running out of time, that's fine. But otherwise, I wanted to have a quick overview of those 5 indicators. So I joined, a couple of, during Thanksgiving break, right? I joined that. I didn't have a lot of time to go over other trainings and other stuff. I know you mentioned that because of the work and double project and stuff. So the thing is, I'm looking forward is to have a quick overview of this indicators and how to use one with the other for the futures and for the options as well. I wanted to place a trade also because I bought that FX trading. I haven't done any trading yet for 150K account. I paid about $80 by $90. So, first trade I wanted to take with you, with your guidance, basically. Is it something that we can do today? If you're not time.
Yeah, but I already explained in this session also. So the first thing you do is
Well, I
T5.
joined this very late because I was on the office call. I was out.
Right. So the one of the top indicators we you always use with whether swing trading or day trading is T5.
Okay.
If T5 is at the top and you see a red signal, that means there can be a nice drop.
Natural. Okay, great. So
If
we can
T5
take
comes all the way to the bottom and you see a green dot, that means it can turn bullish.
Okay. And this
So
can be used, the T5 can be used for both the futures and
you're right,
stocks.
futures and stocks. Yeah.
Okay, that's T5. I have T5, and I think you have only 5 indicators because I saw certain time. Few of the videos I saw like price scanner, then future scanner. All those have gone right now. Those are not there anymore, right? You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
we are
Those
mainly
have
using 4 to 5 indicators now. So T5
okay.
is one
Okay,
of the top indicator we use
okay,
always.
great. Okay.
Then the
So,
second
so
one
quick
is
thing, quick thing. Sorry for that question. Like, so on the T5, whenever you have this red thing on the top, which says SR, SC, all those things, right? What does that signify? It's the sell for this price or something, or what does it say? The red balls, the green balls, and the indicator on top of that, the text on top of that. Sorry.
so here if the score is above 80 plus, that means right the maximum score it can have is 100.
Okay.
So if it is getting close to 100, that means it is becoming overbought. That means there will be a drop.
Oh, okay.
In the same way, if it is coming close to minus 100, that means it will become bullish.
Okay.
So,
Got it.
so basically these are scores. So if it is
Okay.
minus 60, minus 70, that means it will become bullish. If it is plus 80, plus 90, it will turn to bearish.
Okay, so after 80 or 90, is it something you recommend to go and okay, definitely I believe we have to look at other indicators as well, but after
Right.
80,
You always look at the
uh,
confluence, but yeah, when it is
what do you
80,
mean by
80,
confluence? I heard that word a lot, but I'm not sure what
confluence
does it
means
mean.
you are looking at combination of two, three indicators. You are not just going based on this cell or this. So here you got a sell, here also you got my 85. You got
Direct
a sell from T5, sell from this indicator.
RL.
That means
Yeah.
that is a good opportunity to go short.
Okay,
So
got
when multiple indicators are giving you the same signal, that is the confluence.
okay.
That
So
means you have more
terms
chance
is
for
for
success.
got it. Okay, so
You are
that
not
you
just depending on one software. Two,
one
three
indicator.
softwares are telling the same story.
Okay, okay. So if it's more than one, especially, then you have more and more confidence to execute your trade.
Right. If higher the confidence, higher your success.
Okay.
So for example, this is one more scanner, which is the MTFF or MTF future scanner.
MTF. Okay, yeah, I have that as well.
So if it, right, for example, here your RSI is below 50. That means the trend is bearish. If it is red color, that means trend is bearish.
Okay.
So here the strength should be always green. If it is above 20 and higher than 20, that means the sellers are having good control. So the trend will continue for longer period.
Okay.
So that means here this gave a sell signal. Here this gave a sell signal. Here also it is telling RSI is below 50 and the sellers are very strong. That means you got confluence 1, confluence 2, confluence 3. Here you got a buy signal,
Okay.
but this is still in red color. This is
Yeah.
still RSI is below 50.
Yep.
That means you have out of 3, only
Okay.
one is telling it will go up. So you won't take the signal.
Sorry. So what do you do?
You will ignore this, right? You won't
Oh,
go
you will
long.
ignore the okay, the buy. Okay. You ignore
Because other
the one
tools,
buy button.
this software is telling it will go down, this software is telling it is still bearish.
Okay.
But here you got a buy signal, so
Right.
you will not go. So it may just go a little bit up and again drop.
Okay. But it's a false positive.
Right. So we
It's
should
negative,
ignore.
but yeah. So ignore it
That's
basically because
if this is
okay.
also green, this is above 50, and then if you get a buy, that is a good opportunity.
Okay. Thanks for that.
So
Okay.
like
So
that.
that was MTFF, and then the other one was a RLM. Is that the RLM? No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, RLM is combination of FLM and SLM. FLM is for futures, SLM is for stocks. RLM
Okay.
is a premium indicator where
Okay.
you can use it for all the stocks, all the futures, everything. So
So
it
do
is
I
mainly
have the RLM? I'm going to check that.
yeah, if it is for 6 months or more subscribers, so you can get
Oh,
RLM.
only for 6 months. Okay. The five
Right.
indicators does not include the RLM.
Right, you will get FLM, SLM, those ones. So FLM,
So I do not have the sorry for that, but I do not have the so I have the MTFF, I have PP, I have FLM, RCT5.
right,
And what's
yeah,
the fifth one then?
you may have SPX tag and turn or something.
Oh yeah, SPX. I don't see that. Okay,
So basically, yeah, this scanner is for futures. In the same way, we have another scanner for stocks that will tell you the same thing for all different stocks or ETFs like QQQ, ETF, SPX, NDX, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, Google. The logic is same. Always you use the scanner plus T5 plus this indicator. If all the three are giving you the same signal, right now it went up and again it is dropping. So if you see a
okay,
sell signal, that will be a good opportunity to go do a short
okay,
because still this is telling it is bearish. This is still bearish. So it went up, touched the cloud and started draw. If the clouds are generally red and maroon or orange and maroon, that means the trend is bearish.
okay. And this is which indicator that you are showing it right now? SP.
So
It's
this one
RL.
is, yeah, this is RLM, which is nothing but your FLM. So
Nothing but the
RLM
FLM. But
is a
FLM is just for
combination
the
of,
future.
yeah, FLM is for futures, SLM is for stocks. RLM is for both.
But now in the five signals that I mean, five indicators that I bought, which one will be for stocks then? Because there's a SPX TNT, PP, FLM, SLM, and MTF. So which one do I, if I have to play the options, which signal should I, or which indicator should I use for the options for the stocks?
Basically, if you get a buy signal, if all the three indicators are giving you, then if you get a buy signal, for example, here you get a sell signal, you can buy the puts for gold, or you can you can do bear calls for gold.
Okay.
If you get a buy signal and all the three indicators are giving you the confidence, you can buy calls or you can do pull puts.
Okay. But for the stocks, especially, which one should I use? I'm saying I can use the same thing for the stocks, like RCT5 can be for the stocks, right? But FLM is only for the futures, right?
Yeah, you have SLM, stocks level manager.
I don't have that. That's what I was trying to say. I have SPX TNT, I have RCA price pulse, I have FLM,
Or you can use
MTFF.
SPX tag and T with stocks. For example, as I told you, if you get some stock like Nvidia or something, right?
Okay.
For stocks, generally you go with 30 minutes time frame.
Okay, 30 minutes. Okay.
Sir, I'm logging into the TraderWeight with Elite Trader Fund. So it's asking for the market data subscriber certification. Sure. Should I select the non-professional?
Yeah, non-professional. So here you got a bearish tag and turn. So here
Okay.
T5 is also red.
Yeah.
Then you can short the stock. In the same way, for example, tomorrow or day after we may get a bullish tag and turn, and this T5 will turn green. Then you will go long.
So for the stocks, what you're recommending is use RCT5 and the SPX TNT.
Right. In
For
30
the
minutes
other
time.
30 minutes time.
Yeah.
And in the morning call, when you have, you usually do the futures in the morning call, or you still do the stocks?
Morning time, mainly we focus on options. In the evening time, we mainly focus on futures.
So,
Yeah,
so
stocks
morning
and
time,
risk.
yeah, what time you start and what time it ends? The live call that you have?
Around 9:30 Central, 9:30 to 10 Central, I start, and then yeah, most of the time I stay until 3 p.m. Central.
Okay, the call is all when you can come and go, but the call is on till that time.
Right.
And sometimes you send these options, uh, in the channel, right? When I RC Premium, but we do not get all the time. Is it something I need to, I bought five indicators, and I think so with that comes that Ninja trading bots plan,
All
right?
right. You get few alerts, and then yeah, once you learn, then you can use it and you can take whichever you want.
Okay. So this is just the alerts that you think, just to make a quick buck. If you are not watching, just look at the channel, Telegram, and then execute the trade, so you don't have to be on the screen all the time. So for that purpose, you are helping us out here, right?
Right.
Oh. Now, so this makes sense. Okay, so this was SPX you mentioned. You mentioned MTFF and T5. How
Yeah,
about the
basically
FL?
RLM, FLM, SLM, MTFF, MTFS, SPX tag and turn T5. You got understanding of all those things, right? RLM, FLM, SLM, same concept.
Okay. SPX TNT, can you explain again one more time? Sorry.
So if you see bearish tag and turn, and then T5 is red in color, that means you can either short the stock, you can do bear calls, you can buy the puts. And when
Okay.
it comes all the way to the bottom, if you see a bullish tag and turn, if T5 turns green, then you can either buy the calls, you can do the bull puts, you can buy the stock.
So the bottom green arrow, what does it, or green line, what does it signify?
This is
Because
the
that's a,
support. This is the resistance.
uh, and the actual price is the price line is the one in the middle, right? In the center. Where you have green triangle, red triangle, all this, right? That's the actual price line, right?
Right.
The
As
current
of now,
price.
it is around 184.3.
Okay.
So tomorrow it may drop all the way to 181, 182, and then it will bounce back.
Okay. And in the morning, you send always those two files, right? Which we need to add it, to the as a settings, right? Post. I don't know what you call that. Paste that intraday levels, right? Basically.
Yeah, you come here,
So,
you paste those levels.
correct. So you have a stock and you have a futures. So for the futures, I understand if I'm in the FLM, I can paste the futures there. For the stocks, where do I paste it with this file?
If you have SLM, you can paste it.
Oh, I don't have SLM. So the outside of SLM, there's nowhere you can paste it, right? SPX, TNT, you don't paste anything there, right? Because I don't have the option.
That is right, yeah.
And what does this file signify? Okay, that just tells you the support level, the
Support and resistance levels. If price is above magnetic line, that means generally the trend is bullish, right? For example, today silver. So you have something called as a base level. That means normal price should be somewhere around here. But if price is above that, that means it went all the way to the top. That means the trend is very, very bullish for silver. If price is below the base level, that means the trend is overall looking bearish.
Okay, so what is the right time to buy, to short or long, like with this example?
If everything is green, that means it is something very bullish. If T5 is green, if everything is green, then and you get a buy signal, that is a good opportunity to go. For example, NQ, everything is green.
Okay.
Right. For example, if you go to NQ, so your T5 is green.
Yeah.
Here, all these are green. So generally, that means it is a good time. You can, whenever you see a buy signal, you can go long on NQ.
So when you say zero buy signal, does it say buy over there, or the green triangle means buy here? But how do you know it's a buy signal?
Yeah, you'll have a buy here, right? You got a
Buy
buy.
written buy. Oh, okay, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, okay. I didn't see that earlier. Just triangle. Okay, cool. So as soon as you see the buy there, and you have the
and immediately you see, okay, T5 is green. This is everything is green. Then you can. The clouds are green. You got a perfect confidence. So it will go all the way till the resistance.
So if you have to place an order here, I've never placed an order. So what do we do in this case? Let's assume that
You can click on buy. When you get a buy signal, you click on buy. Whenever it touches the resistance, you click on sell.
Okay, and then how do you put the stop loss? Okay, there's a stop loss there, right?
Right.
So,
whenever you can do buy,
then
you can put take profit, you can put stop loss, everything, and you click on buy.
Okay. So take profit, whatever it goes up, the number of ticks, right? And when you have this prop account, you can run the trade for multiple days, or you have to close the trade before the end of day.
No, whatever you open at 5 p.m. Central, you have to close them by next day 4 p.m. Central.
Okay, so between 5 p.m. to 4. Is it 24 hours trade always, or is it always from 5 to 4?
Always, anything you open after 5, you have to close them by next day 4 p.m.
By next day 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it
Every day
auto-close.
between auto close, some prop firms will also cancel your account. So you have to again reset and you have to again start from the scratch.
Okay.
Some prop firms will just auto close your trades, but some prop firms will cancel your accounts, like take profit trade.
Okay. So always make sure that you close your trade by 4 p.m. latest City time.
Right.
Okay. And then I think I was reading that I got 150K Apex trading account. So in a day, you can make max loss of 4.5K, right? And if you go beyond below that, then or more loss than that, then the account gets closed, correct?
Right.
And the profit, I think so it's about 9K that I need to show, right?
Yeah. Total target is 9K. You can take as
Okay.
much time as you want.
Okay. And is it something like you need to trade 7 consecutive days to be?
No, there is nothing like that. Only thing is you cannot do all 9,000 in one day. You can do 4,500, 4,500 in 2 days. In the
Okay.
next 3 days, you can do just one micro, just to open and close like that.
Okay.
Okay, 9,000 for the whole week, Kishore, or is it like
For the
You can
month,
take
right?
1 month also.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
take any, yeah, but they are not. They are saying that you cannot do just within one day.
Okay. Got it.
Basically, you need to keep trading, show them that
Yeah, it is not some lucky
your
trade that suddenly you.
so
Right,
consistency is what needs to be shown.
right, yeah.
Cool.
Because
It doesn't
sometimes you
require
have
some.
these events, right? You take a trade and suddenly it drops, then you'll make all 9,000 in one day.
Okay.
Tomorrow FOMC is there. Tomorrow you take four accounts, 2 accounts you put long, 2 accounts you put short. Then within one day, that 2 accounts you can complete the evaluation if you can make all 9,000 one day.
Mhm. But that does not work. So
Right.
because of FOMC or something, but is there any does it okay? Do we call that as a event day for the futures as well? Because there's nothing
Yeah,
much. Is it okay? So
yeah.
basically, you should not trade on those days, or your trade are not valid on those days. How does this platform take that?
No, you can trade on evaluation accounts, but you cannot trade on your pro accounts, pro or pro plus accounts.
Oh, okay. Okay, eval is fine, but not on the actual prop account, pro account. Sorry. Okay,
Right.
I'm still on the eval, so that should be okay.
NQ is going up and up further up. So
And how do we pass the evaluation, Kishore? No.
that's what you have to complete the target.
Okay, 9,000 target.
Right. So
Sure.
some
What is
companies will allow you to complete all the target within, right, Apex, Elated, Fund, Bull Logs. You can do within one day also. So
Okay.
these event days are good days to complete those targets
Okay.
for
so?
such
Is it
type of
some? So you're going to take a live meeting tomorrow as well, right? So I can trade while you are also trading. You can do that.
problem.
I can replicate what you are doing and then go from there.
Yes, yeah.
I might need a helping hand to place my first order. I'm going to do all your trainings as well, whatever time that I have. But maybe I'll start my trading from tomorrow. Looking at you. Cool. There is something like a micro and mini and all those things. What does that mean?
Micro
Like,
is one tenth of mini.
can you explain a bit what does it mean? Like, trading micro, mini, or trading regular one? Like, you can take an example of NQ1 here. So, what does micro NQ1
For
means?
example, NQ, let us say you took a long, then every
Okay.
1 point move you make $20.
Oh, okay.
If it moves
In
10
in
points,
a regular piece. In a regular piece.
yeah. For example, now if you would have taken before this candle where we discussed, it would have made $300 because it moved 15, 16 points in one candle.
Oh,
But if you take but suddenly it dropped, let us say, then you would have made loss of $300.
oh,
Right? Let us say it dropped 15 points down.
okay.
But when you take MNQ, your reward is only 1/10. That means instead of $300, you'll make $30. Or instead of losing 300, you'll lose 30. That means when you're practicing, you don't want to take with
Take more risk.
minis. You want to start slow, then you just, instead of NQ, you type MNQ.
Oh, micros, basically.
Right. So before you order, right, before you buy some sweets, you may just taste one
Correct.
small piece. In the same way, before you try with the minis, you try with a micro, you practice, you learn. Once you can
Mm-hmm.
understand the logic, then you can do. Because initially you may do some mistakes, you may
Correct.
not see the
Correct.
entire conference, all this. So
These
that's
are
what.
like a baby steps you want to take first.
Right. Yeah. Your
Minus.
risk and reward is only 1/10. So just like
Correct.
SPY
That
and
is
SPX,
yeah.
where SPX is 10 times of SPY. If you make $1 with SPY, with SPX you can make 10. In the same way, ES, MES, NQM, NQ, GC, MGC, these are like, yeah, if you generally for most of the symbols, you will add M, that will
Okay.
become a mic.
So SPX is also for futures or is
The SPX is for options. That is an ETF.
okay. So prop firm allow that? No, right? That is
The
you will
prop
put
firm
on
is
your personal
only for
futures, right?
futures.
Oh. Because many times you recommend
Yeah,
or you put
yeah, that is for our
send
personal
message for
accounts.
SPX. Okay, that's a personal. And I can't. I mean, I have a. I used to have the what do you call it, Think or Swim, but I think that's since that's bought by Charles Schwab, so it's Charles Schwab now. So I cannot connect my Charles Schwab to the trading view, right? That I'll have to take it separately. Otherwise, I have to make a payment. I have to pay some $100 each month, right?
Right. Here
To
you
connect
see
to.
the symbol. If you see buy with SPX, then and you have a confluence, then you do bull puts. You see the signal on trading view and you
Yes.
take the trades.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll go to the next one.
Sure, I have a
So
couple questions.
Sure.
Yeah.
yeah,
So,
Thanks.
yeah, first one is on the price pulse, right? Is
mm,
it like a lagging indicator or is it sometime will it take time, especially on a daily basis? Because SPX, I have seen there was a huge 2.96 billion sell on a daily, and then there was a buy for 3.4, and then almost after the market moved very well, that's when the 3.46 showed up. Probably almost it reached where it started dropping. So how much of a delay we can expect? Because I was under assumption like, oh, market is going to fall down, but it just keep going up.
now again, when you are seeing a daily time frame, that means you have very huge gap between right in that buy block or sell block. Let us take something like
Maybe you can try SPX because that's where I was looking at. Or even this is fine. Yeah, that's
yeah. For example, here you see right, you have 2.1 million, but see what is the range here. The orders between 2600 and 26,400 in 300 points range, you have 2 million sell orders.
okay. Hmm.
Right? That means anywhere some companies are selling here, some companies selling here, some companies might be selling here. So this is the big range.
Okay.
So when it goes all the way here, so you have to wait again for the conference. So whenever it goes to 26,400 tomorrow, right, initially after FOMC, we may see a nice bounce. And then in the meeting, Powell may talk something negative, and then again we may see a big drop.
But can you scroll down, meaning like go up or whatever? Why the market moved so much up is like, is there a buy block on the bottom? I see on the top it's 2.11, but if you see here, there is no real buy block. But what happened with SPX I have seen in the before is like once it goes past this 2.11 million, then there is a block showing like 3 billion, 3 million buy order here. That's the reason market went up so much. So I think that's the delay I was talking
Trend
about.
line support here,
Hmm.
and then below that you have some major buy order blocks. But here you have 1.74 million buy orders. So price went up, touched the trend line resistance, again came down, touched the trend line support, and again started bouncing. So here you have sell blocks. So tomorrow it will touch this resistance, and then will see a drop.
Okay. Or unless the market is really good, then we may see like a 4 million buy block on the bottom later, but it will cross past the 2.11 billion. Because
Right.
that's something which I saw in SPX.
Right. Yeah. If suddenly there is a major good news or something, all the big companies may start buying, and if there are more than 2 million orders, then the sell order will, that resistance, it will break the resistance and go all the way much higher.
Okay, so right
So
now we
there
don't
is,
know yet because T5 is showing it's going up, but we still need to wait until the
right. Tomorrow, for example, when
chart.
price is somewhere here, T5 is at the top, then there is a high possibility we'll see a drop. But when price is here and if T5 is still bullish, then there is a high possibility it will break the resistance, go further up.
Oh, great, great. That was the explanation I was looking. Okay, makes sense. And on the future scanner, right, MTF, which you had about the relative strength and the trend strength. So there could be four permutation that can happen. One is like both are green, both are red, or one is green and red. So both are green is very straightforward. Market is bullish, like how it's showing in silver. But when okay, maybe can you open that? Yeah, RSI, for example, GC, right? RSI
Mhm.
is 45.8, which is below 50, but the trend strength or whatever that column is like
Mhm.
29.4. In
Mhm.
this case, we need to assume that it is strong on a bearish side. Is that right?
Yeah, right, right.
But in case of crude oil, let's say both are red, which means like it is showing bearish, but the trend is not supporting it. Is that right?
The strength is choppy. That means suddenly it can turn bullish. So if the moment RSI is below 50, but strength is also about 20 or 25, 30 like that. That means that you can confidently take the sell signal. That signal will
Okay.
stay for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It will keep going down. But
Okay,
when it
got
is
it.
below 20, that means suddenly it will go up again for a few minutes. It will come down, go up like that. It will be choppy.
Oh,
So for
got it.
natural,
Makes
for
sense.
example, if you see natural gas, right, you see it is a sideways move, right? There is no big up move,
Hmm.
big down move. It is just going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So the
Got it.
trend is very choppy here.
Okay, okay, got it. Oh, okay, makes sense. So the same way for RTY, right? It's opposite because RSI is positive, but the strength is not great. So which means like it's again choppy.
Right, yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. And the other question I had is for the bull puts and bear calls, which you normally suggest during the day. Do you see on the 5 minutes or 30 minutes? Because 5 minutes may be too quick, so or maybe
Yeah,
hourly, because I'm not able to attend the calls because it's office hours.
yeah, generally, if you're a full-time trader, active trader, then 5 minutes is good. Otherwise, 30 minutes is a low risk. But
Okay, because the ones
you
you
should
post in
take for
the
the same,
group.
yeah, don't take for the same day. You take for 5-day expiry. Whenever you see buy signal on 30 minutes, then you go ahead for 5 days expiry and you take a bull puts.
Okay.
That means within
So
next
no,
5 days.
normally the ones that you see in the group, post in the group is based on 30 minutes or 1 hour, right?
No, generally, I share the day trades.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, most of
I,
them are
I
day trades. They are mainly for active trading.
oh got it. I think that's where I'm missing. Sometimes I take it, but I forget to close, and then by the time I look back, it will be already in red because of the meetings. Okay, maybe I should avoid that.
Right, yeah. If you're not a day trader, better to avoid those.
Okay,
Then your
got it.
30 minutes is a good strategy for if
I
you
think
don't.
that's where the tag and turn will help.
Right, right, yeah.
Okay, got it. Yeah, probably I will ping you my username. I have this SPX daily income indicator, which I'm not at all using. Maybe you can give me the tag and turn us. That will help me. Yeah, I just pinged you my username in the chat. And I have one more question. I know you said you will refund. I took an yearly subscription, but the monthly subscription for October was still taken.
Yeah, I
Did
did that.
you?
Maybe you may see by tomorrow or day after, you'll see that.
Oh, you did that. Okay, got it. Okay, perfect. And one last question. Uh, Again, the market can go either ways, but what is your prediction for tomorrow?
As I said initially, I'm expecting it to be bullish, and then during the press conference, we may see a drop. Generally,
Okay.
every FOMC, you will have two side move.
Mm. Okay, got it.
Yeah, I gave you the access.
Okay, I will log out and log in. Thanks.
Sure, while you are there, can you look at my TNT real quick? Remove price pulse. I still don't have it.
Is it Sanuj?
Oh, no, I'll put my user ID here. VWAD review.
Okay, just a minute.
Kishore,
Yes,
one more
Sam.
thing.
Yeah,
In the
Sam, your mission ID is updated. You already have it. Did you log out and log in?
I did. Okay, let me clear the browser cache.
Yeah, you already have it.
Thank you.
Kishore, in the MTFF indicator, it is showing the decision as wait for most of the time. Is it because of the market being choppy, or is it?
Yeah, that will wait for all the factors.
Okay.
So yeah, because market is choppy now, it will. So only when everything is looking good, then only it will tell you to go ahead and buy.
Okay.
Yeah, anyone
And
has?
for the evaluation account to be completed, do we need to? Is there any limit of number of trades we have to take, or?
No, there is no limit. You can do $50, $40 in each trade. That is also fine.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So only there is a limit on the number of contracts you can take in each trade.
Okay. Got it.
But generally, we'll stick with one or two contracts. If you take too many contracts and suddenly, unless there is a major event, and if we are doing event trade,
Okay.
otherwise you stick with one or two contracts maximum.
Okay. Got it.
If you take 5 or 10 and suddenly there is a reversal candle, it will hit the stop loss.
Yeah, it'll be huge loss at that point. Got it.
Yeah. Anyone has any other questions?
For stocks also we need to update that daily you send the targets, right? We need to update on the MTFF only, right? For
No,
both the stocks.
for stocks we have MTFS.
Oh, MTFS. Okay, okay.
Here
And
you
KX, we don't need to update anything, right?
no SPX TNT you don't need to do anything.
Oh, okay, okay.
So again, right, it's
Generally,
all
you,
about.
Kishore, sorry, yeah. So generally, you recommend to buy or sell whenever the RSI is more than 50, right? For calls.
Buy is more than 50, sell is below 50.
Okay, yeah, yeah, got it.
Yeah, still it is red color. This is below 50, so we may see further drop over GC overnight. Yeah, you can take 2 MGC. We may see it going all the way till 40 to 10.
What is the target? 40 to 10 now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank
Yeah. Okay, then. Good night and talk to you in the morning.
you. Right.
Thank you, Kishore.
Thank you. Anil.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.